Experience Dockpro this summer. CanDock modular floating systems, as supplied by Dockpro, has become a must for residential, marina or recreational facility docks. Exceptional lifespan and high resistance to the most severe weather conditions makes Dockpro the perfect companion to your watercraft. Our G2 jetties are customized according to each customer's requirements. Our high-density polyethylene system is environmentally friendly and requires no maintenance. Our jet roll system is a single-piece drive-on dock designed to accommodate small watercrafts up to 3.5 meters or 500 kilograms in freshwater applications. The jet slide system is designed to accommodate larger watercrafts up to 9 meters or 2,730 kilograms in all types of waters. Dockpro also has a wide range of accessories and add-ons to enhance your landscape and improve your dock safety. Accessories include ladders, benches, bumper fenders, and cleats. Add-ons include the Edgeline cubes, which adds a polished design and a touch of elegance to your floating dock's finish. Experience Dockpro this summer. Visit dockpro.co.za now.